Welcome to our micro-learning channel. In the 17th century, compound microscopes gave only 20 to 30 times magnification and produced heavy distortion, limiting scientific vision. Leeuwenhoek took a different route, crafting tiny spherical glass lenses and mounting specimens on a pin with a simple focus screw. His single-lens microscopes achieved 200 to 300 times magnification and revealed a crystal-clear microscopic world that contemporaries had missed. Between 1674 and 1676 observers began to uncover a hidden microscopic world they called animalcules. Protozoa were seen in lake water as the first single-celled organisms. Bacteria were found in dental plaque and described as little animals moving with purpose, and early physiological observations captured red blood cells, sperm cells, and muscle fibers, opening an entirely new biological landscape. Those discoveries were carefully documented and sent to the Royal Society, with hundreds of letters overcoming initial skepticism and providing rigorous validation. This body of evidence challenged the doctrine of spontaneous generation and shifted biology toward the study of microorganisms as fundamental units of life, laying a direct line to the germ theory of disease and the foundations of modern bacteriology.